Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you total 5 websites where we can create a very high quality Dofollow directory submission backlink. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, while you guys are considering for the directory submission, you guys can consider your index page, that means your home page, either your category page, either your main master service pages. So you can choose these pages for the directory submission. It should be going to help you guys can drive traffic over your all the services. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so you can please hit the subscribe and like button. So the first website name is directory5.org and there is a add site button. You can click over there and you guys can navigate on that interface. So there you guys can put your title. So I have already generated all the things. So this is the title for my index page. So best video interview platform, and there you guys can put your website URL. In the description section you guys can add description. I have already generated, so I can paste it over there. Name is your company name. Email ID, you can choose your email ID. Then after that you can choose your category and you can verify your captcha. You can click on the continue button and you can see regular, please select okay. So link is submitted and you guys can, after that you guys can navigate on the latest site section and there you can see this is our directory backlink. You can click on the link details button and you will found your exact directory landing page URL. So best video interview platform Jobma, and I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's a 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral with contextual. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So the next website name is a directory9.biz and there is a add site button. You can click over there and you guys can navigate on this interface. So there I can add a title of my directory, URL and the description. There you guys can choose your company name, email ID, then you can choose your category. You can verify the captcha. You can click on the continue button. So you can see the link is submitted successfully. After that you guys can navigate on the latest site section and there you guys can see this is our directory backlink. You can click on the link details button and you will found your directory landing page URL. We have already checked all the backlinks are going to be Dofollow. So you can see it's a Dofollow backlink. So the next website name is directory10.org and there is a add site button. You can click over there and after that you can add your title, URL and your company description, email ID and your category. You can verify the captcha, you can acknowledge the terms and condition and you can click on the continue button. So the link is submitted and you can navigate on the latest site section and you can see this is our backlink. You can click on the link details button and you can see the best video interview platform Jobma and this is the backlink. So the next website name is populardirectory.org and there is a add site button. You can click over there and after that we can start the same process what we are doing on the previous websites. You can add your title and your description your company name, your email id, then category your category and after that you can acknowledge, verify the captcha, and you can click on the continue button. You can click on the link details button and you will see this is your directory backlink. So the last website name is royaldirectory.biz, and there you guys can click on the add site button, and after that you can navigate on this interface. You can add your title, URL, and your description, your company name, your email id, then you can choose your category, and you can verify the captcha. You can click on the continue button. After that you can click on the latest site section. So link is submitted and they're waiting for the approval, but they will approve instantly. I think there is something glitch on this site, I thought, because there is no any listing right now. Okay, so you guys will create. I think there is something technical issue on this site. I have no idea why these things are happening. So, okay, you can create your directory on this site and you will see what happening. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.